Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My channel's name is For Your Heart. My name is Disha and today we are going to learn how to draw various kinds of flowers. These flowers can be used in charts, in your journals, in your scrapbooks to make it look a little bit exquisite. The first flower we are drawing here is this flower which is in pairs, and if you take a look at it, it has small strokes which makes it look more attractive. The next one is a little bit unconventional, but hey, it's looking good. It's okay if your flower does not look identical to mine because all the flowers are unique, the petals are unique, and everybody's perspective is different. That is what a drawing is. And also take a look at the petals that I'm going to draw, the leaves. One is a small leaf and the other one is a bigger leaf. And if you think you don't want to have it that way, you can always draw them in proportion, but I think it looks good like this. The third flower we're drawing here is somewhat similar to a daisy. The petals, the leaves that we are drawing here are looking like ferns, and you can also add a little honeybee that is going to hover on top of these beautiful flowers. The next one is a very easy marigold flower, and I think anybody can draw this. All you have to do is stack the petals on each other and you keep stacking them, and towards the end you make them less and less visible. As you can see, towards the end there are tiny pieces left.